The job does not have any bleed. There's no bleed. So how do we add bleed to the job? Look at the size, the plugins, Prinect PDF Toolbox, geometry. Have you seen the size? We are adding page size. We said bleed is equal to trim box. We are adding 5 mm to it. Apply. 16 pages has been modified. So when you come to bleed, needs bleed. So all the red areas marked, the red boxes, the software is telling us that we need to add bleed. Let's go to the next page to see all the past bleed. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6. This page does not require bleed. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 12 pages. Requires bleed. 13. This, and this. So the software will automatically detect the areas which requires bleed. You just click complete. Then you have your bleed. So look at the new size. It was 215. I added 5 mm. So 5 plus 5, 10 to give us 225. Then this is 289, 279 plus 10.